Hello friends, good day and welcome to my channel. So how are you doing today? I hope you're great. If you're new here, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for all the views, the likes and the comments. So I am the recipe queen, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to bake this very moist brown cake. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Like I said, you can bake this cake recipe for any event. So these are my ingredients. I used 250 grams of cake flour. I used my homemade cake flour. 200 grams of brown sugar. I used the dark brown sugar. 3 large eggs. 105 grams of butter or margarine, so you can use your choice. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of butter flavor. 2/3 cup of liquid milk. I used the whole milk. Then finally 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So let's get started. So now it's time for me to sieve in my homemade cake flour into a clean bowl. The reason why I'm using my homemade cake flour is to make this cake super moist. But in case you don't have access to already made cake flour in your location, or you can convert your normal flour, that's the all-purpose flour, to cake flour, just use your all-purpose flour like that. You will still get a moist cake, but I'm not sure it will be super moist. So if you really want your cake to be super moist, make sure you use the cake flour. I have the recipe on my channel. Check out my previous video and you'll see how to make your homemade cake flour. So now I've added the baking powder too. Now I'm giving it a stir. Now in a clean mixing bowl, scoop in your butter or margarine. So it depends on the one you're using. For this recipe, I used the margarine. Now is in the bowl. I'll have to add my vegetable oil as well. Then I'll pour in my brown sugar and also my flavor. So you have to cream and mix thoroughly till the mixture is very light and fluffy. Now my mixture is very light and fluffy as well. As you can see, the color has changed and it has doubled in size. So it's time for me to add my eggs. I'll be adding the eggs one at a time gradually into the mixture. You have to keep mixing till the whole eggs enter into the mixture. So mix thoroughly till it incorporates well into the mixture. Okay, I'm done with adding the eggs. Now it's time for me to add the flour into the mixture as well. So add the flour gradually till everything enters. Lastly, pour in the whole milk into the mixture. Make sure you mix thoroughly. Make sure you mix for like 2 to 3 minutes, and it depends on the mixer speed you're using. At times it will be less if you're using a very high speed. Now I'm done with mixing, so my brown cake batter is ready. As you can see, it's so ready. Scoop in your cake batter into your prepared baking tins or pans. Now that's what I'm doing, and I'm about to start baking in a preheated oven. Just smoothen the surface with your spatula. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, so what are you waiting for? Do that right now. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. Now it's time to bake. Wow, my brown cakes are out of the oven and they are fully baked, as you can see. I'm going to show you what our cake looks like. So now I'm getting it out of the baking tin. And look at what we've got here. So it's time for me to slice. Now check out our cake slice. Wow, it's so soft and very moist. I know and believe that after watching this video you can bake this cake just the way it is. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.